let's play steps in one hand and block chord in left hand. So you're gonna press block chord and you're gonna hold it while playing evenly steps in right hand from C to G. Hands are nice and soft. Let's move to D position. Covering D chord here, playing block in left and pressing keys all the way up from D to A in right. And moving up to E, both hands, E chord position. Moving up to F. To G. Going on and on up to C. And then we're gonna go back to C position, to C chord. And gonna play now chord in right hand and steps in left. Now let's move to D chord. To E chord, from E to B in left. To F. And going on and on. Good job. Try these exercises and let me know how it goes.